Okay, y'all, so this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass, so all I need is just that much. Hey y'all! I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all, this is the fifth look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey y'all! Oh my goodness, we're one subscriber away from 1K. I know we're gonna hit 1K today. Hey y'all! Oh my god! I'm so happy! Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Hey y'all. So I made a friend boo basket birthday edition. So today is my friend April's birthday and I made her a boo basket. So I couldn't find a pink brown basket, so I had to get what I could get. So I was gonna film every little detail, every little item, but I figured I'd just show y'all because I had to get this basket together. So as y'all can see, the two books in the front, I thought they were cute. Her favorite color is pink. So I tried to stay with the pink theme, but everything isn't pink. And I got her this cowgirl cup in honor of Beyonce. We're Beyonce fans. I got her a pink Moscato mini bottle wine. And I got her a travel, we're travelers. Got her a travel cosmetic case, or you can put whatever you want in it. And then one that says vacate is just like it. I got her a burn book, big poster. We're Mean Girls fans. And it's like face care stuff. It's all kinds of things. It's Barbie items because she loved Barbie too. And it's all girly stuff. So it's a lot of stuff in here. I got the heatless rollers, makeup wipes, a shot cup. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, the shot cup is right there. It says birthday girl on top of the wine bottle. I got her card, of course, and it's a lot more stuff that's down at the bottom. Face mask, Barbie lotion, Barbie what you call it, body scrub. Somebody probably think this for a teenager, but we're teenagers at heart. We love like the girly movies, Pink, all different things, all things girly. We love it. It kind of look like it's for a teenager, but the wine gives it away. But all right, y'all, this is an idea that y'all can do for your friend, family, or whomever. So it's not just about relationships. You can get a boo basket for your friends. All right, y'all. Bye. Hey y'all. So this is me gifting April her birthday boo basket on her actual birthday at another friend's Halloween party. So yeah, it just so happened that the Halloween party fell on April's birthday, but she loved her boo basket. Let her tell you herself. Okay, this is the opening. I'm opening it. I'm so excited because this is like maybe 2 days now. 2 days later, it is what's today? Today's Tuesday, and I have not opened my gift from my lovely pasta. So I'm opening it now. So yes, I cannot wait. I'm like, oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna find. It's like a journey. She always puts me in a journey mood. So as y'all can see, this is a journey. So I'm like, oh my god. So I'm gonna start. Of course, I have to start with the cup. Like it's right there. So I have to start with it. And that's so freaking cute. I have to find a way to take him on vacation. I have to. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. Cowboy Carter ready. We are Cowboy Carter ready. And my favorite color pink. If you haven't noticed, my favorite color is pink. Yes. And this says party time. So let's party. So yes, so cute. Love them. Love the stroll, the hat. It's just perfect with the stars. It's just giving Cowboy Carter. So let's go to the next one. I'm not supposed to be so all over the place. So I'm gonna start with the books in the front before I get inside. So they say vacay. So let me see. That's probably like one of my books, so that I can start putting and manifesting some more trips. Definitely a great diary, or just places to put your travel outfits together. Like do it the whole Kardashian style. You literally take pictures. You can put them in here, put the looks. Listen, I'm gonna do some things with this book. Ooh, I think I see another affirmation book. It says, be brave. And she knows I love it. That's why she like, oh gosh, I gotta give her something with affirmations. Be brave, be confident, be you. Yes, yes, yes. So let's see what's in here. So the first page is to, from, and the date. So I'm definitely gonna put it's to me, from Tasha, and I'm gonna put the date. Yep, definitely an affirmations book. Can't wait to use it. I'll probably use it on my lives. It says, keep pushing yourself. It says, you will never do anything in this world without courage. It is the greatest quality of the mind next to honor.
Yes, I love this. Okay, so I know I see. I'm already envisioning what I'm going to do to use it. Thank you so much. All right, let's go to the next one. So this is what I was on last. Pink and orange. Pink and orange. And then it has the multi-travel, cute little pouches. I think I'm definitely going to pack these with me. I'm going to switch some things over. Yep. So I'm glad that I did open this because I was like, I'm going to open this when I get home. And I know she's going to kill me. So I was like, no, I got to do it now. So these are some cute little wipes because she knows I need them. I'm always coughing. I'm always doing extra stuff. So she's like, girl, put some napkins in your bag. So yeah, that's definitely something that's going to go with me. Girl, where am I putting this stuff? Where's it going? Oh, Little Mermaid. It says officially fabulous. Be a shell. It says shimmer, high shine, ultra hydrating. So wait a minute. What is it though? Is it lip gloss? I think it's lip gloss, y'all. Here, look. Too cute. So let me look in the bag. Yep, it's a lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. She want my lip gloss to be popping, y'all. You know, I had to open this almost last. Because when I saw it, I said, ooh, what is it? Ooh, it's a burn book poster, y'all. I'm going to have this in my room. I'm recently going to start cleaning my room so that I can get it able so I can start doing my lives in my room. Because I've taken over my mom's dining room, literally taking it over. So I'm definitely going to have this in the background. Y'all will see it. Too cute. Burn book. And this is the facial cleansing pads. Too cute. Sassy and chic. Too cute. I'm going to read this last. Ooh, and another thing, cowboy. Yes. It's a light. It's going to go up. Definitely have to put it up. That's going to be so cute. You're making me think of things I have to do in my room. That's going to be so fun to put up. That is a cowboy lidded boot. And let's see what else I'm missing. I'm missing some things. Oh, I have to take this. This is the under eye patches. So when you're getting cute, you got to put your eye patches on. Yep. Got to take that. So that was my bag, y'all. I think I'm going to put everything back in the bag. Let me see if I have enough time to open this. This is the annual card. She don't play about her cards. And I promise I won't cry this time. Well, then again, I can't promise that. I don't know why I act like I'm going to promise it. It says, happy birthday. It says, it's your birthday, good friend. May you. This was next. So it is Southern Tone Pink Moscato. She knows that's my favorite. She knows I love Pink Moscato. And then it says, birthday girl. Cheers. Too cute. Love this. It was in the bag just like this. I was like, ooh, what is it? So now I know exactly what it is. So I'll probably take a shot before I leave. Ooh, what is this? It says heartless curly set. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. This is what you put in your hair. I have like straight, well, they're not straight, but they're semi-straight ponytails. I can definitely actually pack this. Put it in a little scrunch, and it'll be nice and curly and full at the end of the night. Or you can do like a roller set, put like water in it. But let me put this down because I gotta go a little faster. I have a bag full of things. Ooh. So this looks like a travel bag / affirmation / I see where you was going, Tasha. I see where you was going. So this is a cleansing cloth. These are coming with me. I feel like I don't have nowhere to put this stuff. I have nowhere to put it. I see Barbie. What is it? Let me see. All right, I see the roller skate. I see, okay, body lotion, strawberry scented. Ooh. It says directions safe for use. You know, I'm just taking all this time, but look at this. It's Barbie life. So cute. She know I went crazy when the pink and the Barbie and the, well, she know I went crazy. So she had to give me a little Barbie. So let me see. Body scrub. It's 5.29 ounces. You lucky I can't pack it. You lucky. Because I would use it. So let me put it on the top so you can see it. I have a lot of goodies, y'all. I got a lot of goodies. Ooh, some flossing. Yes, I actually packed some. I should pack some of these. So cute. Where did you find all this stuff? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. This is a brow kit. Oh yeah, girl. I gotta get my brows right. Let me see. What is it? Pens. I feel like this is pens for my new books. Yep, pink pens. Yes, breast cancer awareness. Yes. I'm excited. I love pink. I love pink. Let me see. I'm gonna need like 18 videos to go through all of this. Now, travel. Where am I gonna put this? I have to take it. I have to take it with me. It has to go in my bag. So I'll probably put my little roller set in it. Okay, I'm back with the card. It says happy birthday. I am back. All right, so it says, it's your birthday, good friend. May the happy never end. Love always, Tasha. XOXO, 2004. And then she has cute little balloons with the happy faces. Too cute. So thank you so much. I appreciate all of the thought and the planning that goes into your gifts. I really appreciate it. I was so overwhelmed when you gave me the gift. I was like, oh, she gave me a gift. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Girl, I'm tired. I just got finished packing. Girl. And I'm just like, I'm glad that I did unpack this because now I see things that I can take with me and I can probably just unpack the little travel bags that I take with me. I can just transfer. That's all I'm gonna do is transfer. So wish me luck. We're just gonna pray it out. But thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Hey y'all, give it a swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, because it's too stinking cute.